the juice.
Make this beat.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my personal nails. Right now I'm just starting off with some clear long nails. I'm using my personal nail holder off of Amazon. I'm linking in the description box. I love using this because I'm able to just put the nails on there while I paint them, let them dry, do all types of cute designs before I put them on my real nails. So right now, I'm sorry, but most of this video is going to be out of focus, out of frame. I'm sorry, but what I'm doing is just filing down the nails, make sure I get rid of all the shine before I apply the nail polish. Okay, so once they're all filed down and there's no shine, you can begin to apply the nail polish, which I'm about to do. The colors I'm going to be using is like this turquoise blue color and white with gold sparkles. I love adding extra gold sparkles, and I'm going to do a marble nail in the middle. But y'all see, y'all gonna see. Okay, so for the marble nail, how I like to do my marble nails, I'm sorry, because it's going to be out the focus, so just to say how I do it. I like to take the first color, which is the turquoise color, do a couple drops of that, randomly place it anywhere, it doesn't really matter. And then I'm going to add the white drops to it, placing the spots that don't have the blue. And then you can either take a toothpick, a fine brush, or you can even use just a nail polish brush, if you don't mind getting it dirty. Use that and just swirl and mix the colors together. It really doesn't matter how it looks because it's going to be marble regardless. And the marble has to be the same on both fingers so long as they both marble. So yeah. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna add the top coat to all the nails just to hold it in place and make it shine, girl, shine. Okay guys, this is the finished results. I love how the colors came out. I love these nails so much, and if you love them too, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. Please comment down below any colors or designs y'all like to see next. Thanks for watching. Bye.